Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify shipping carrier services with ShipStation for US. To verify shipping carrier services with ShipStation for the USA, start by logging into your ShipStation account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, find and click on shipping. Next, select carriers from the list of shipping options. Here, you'll see a list of available carrier services. To add a carrier, click on the Add Carrier button. A drop-down list will appear with various carrier options. Choose the carrier you wish to verify from the list. After selecting the carrier, you'll need to enter your account details. This may include your account number, API key, or other relevant credentials. Once you've entered the necessary information, click on Connect. If the connection is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. If you encounter any errors, double-check your account details for accuracy. After connecting, your carrier will appear in the list of linked services. You can then click on the carrier to view additional settings. Make sure to set your shipping preferences as needed. This may include shipping zones, service levels, and pricing options. To verify the services offered by your chosen carrier, start a new shipment. Select a sample order or create a new order within ShipStation. Input the shipping address and other relevant information. Once the details are entered, proceed to the Shipping tab. Here, you'll see available shipping methods from your connected carrier. Review the options by comparing rates and delivery estimates. Select the service that best meets your needs. Once you've chosen a shipping option, confirm the shipment details. This will ensure all information is accurate before processing. Finally, click on Create Label to generate your shipping label. You have now successfully verified shipping carrier services with ShipStation. Repeat these steps for any additional carriers you wish to add. Keep your settings updated to reflect any changes in your shipping requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.